very warm welcome to the altcoin of the day. That is Ethereum. And Ethereum has been falling very rapidly in a couple of days, even 1 week. It has been slashed more than 50% without any stop in sight. And here you see the Ichimoku cloud indicator, which indicates that the market is still not strong. And it's a very big understatement because it is a very bad move. Of course, we see that the support level of around 90, more or less 90 is a round number. We have seen this level a long time ago. That was in 2019, not even 2018, and there might be a very nice green shoot here. Last week, 4 or 5 days ago, we've seen a green shoot, reversal bar, a green one, with a low of 90, the high of 140, and now consolidating pattern within a narrow range of 100 to 120. If we take a look on the hourly basis, can we see some green shoots? I don't think so, albeit the market is trying to move to the upside. That means 100 is a support level for the shorter term, 120 on the short term as well as a resistance area, 130 it's on the upside as well a resistance area. The Kumo, and here we see the Kumo is hovering around 118, so that means that the market is now entering a turbulent zone. That means that if you take a look at the Ichimoku cloud indicator, there we see the Tenkan-sen, the blue one is a smaller sloping one, the quicker sloping one, and the red one is a Kenshin-sen, is the slower moving average. That means that we have for the very short term a buy signal, but very weak signal, so we have to wait for more confirmation. If you take a look on the 4-hourly basis, for instance, of course we see a consolidation pattern below the Kumo, so the cloud is not that clear yet, but Ethereum is one to watch, and I would like to pick them up for the whole portfolio, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin as well. So stay tuned for more information of cryptoacademy.nl on our websites and social media channels, and feel free to take a trial of 1 month. I wish you good luck. Bye bye.